This is the shop section of the house where I showcase my porcelain crafts. There are bowls, cups, luminaries. When people see what's behind the stand, they always want to come and take a look. And it's nice to talk about them, but they're not for sale. They belong to me. There are experimentations, prototypes that help me progress, and also stuff I bought in my travels, and gifts from colleagues. Many of these pieces come from people I met in my career. This is a bowl made by Spanish artisans that I met in Le Born, a village that is really famous for its pottery.
En France, un lieu très réputé sur les cuissons au bois. Donc là, c'est les Gomez.
Gomez, that was their name. They settled at Le Born to learn the pottery techniques of the town.
Intéressés de cuisson au bois et passionnés de cuisson au bois.
I feel like this bowl has some kind of Spanish energy to it. My idea was to work with light. For me, objects live through light, so porcelain was the obvious choice because it is a material that is really translucent. I needed to make functional objects because that's what sells the best. And I think that it's really gorgeous when light passes through the porcelain. This is the place where I create. It's my refuge, my cocoon. But it's also a place where I can receive people. Anybody can enter here.
Du coup, ça donne lieu à des rencontres de tournage.
Making pottery is very relaxing. It helps me focus and meditate.
Méditatif.
I love the feel of porcelain in my fingers. I love working at night. I feel everything settles down, cows return home, and the village becomes more peaceful.
Puis il y a le village qui s'appelle.
I love working in that atmosphere.
Et dans ces atmosphères-là.
I met Aurelia to know how pottery artisans managed to make a living.
Comment ils vivaient. Ça a vraiment été marrant.
It was my first encounter, and then I returned regularly because I didn't work on Friday afternoon, so she told me to come to work at a workshop so that I could learn the training to enter a pottery school.
Mon atelier pour obtenir le fait que je sois prise dans une école de céramique.
She gave me technical advice from time to time, but we were quite independent in our jobs.
On était assez indépendantes quand même dans notre travail parce que
I trained while she worked, and we cooperated like that for 3 years and a half.
Et on a travaillé 3 ans et demi.
She's not like me.
Oh, so you work all night?
Yeah, that's not a problem for me, but I don't have any children. That's the big difference.
Oh no, I have a life. I work during the day, and then, well, I have to do my mom job. And then it's time to sleep. My main income? Well, it's mainly how much pottery I sell, and that depends on the season. From mid-April to mid-September, there are pottery markets, which attract people who are already interested in ceramics, so that's already a great source of income.
Céramique, ça nous rassemble, donc généralement on vend bien sur ce genre d'expo. Et puis après,
Then there are also tourists that always come to a natural reserve, so we make a lot of sales during the holidays.
Donc aussi les ventes sur place. Et puis après, Noël.
Then, well, Christmas, as always, it's a moment where people buy a lot more than during the rest of the year. So I get half of my income during Christmas sales.
J'essaie juste de vivre.
I just try to live from a thing I love to create. I don't really put myself in question. I simply do my job and I end up learning what works and what doesn't.
Je vois qu'il y a des choses qui fonctionnent pas, il y a des endroits où ça fonctionne pas, d'autres mieux.
That's also the spirit of pottery, to be open to others. Even if it's a lonely job, you have to be open to the world, always looking at your colleagues' work. We help each other. It's not a competition. No, competition is really not the idea. Together, we help regulating the pottery market, establishing quality standards,
Vraiment, il y a de la qualité qui s'expose. Après,
and we also want to transmit our skills, helping your artisans to learn the craft. And we also help each other to get known and market our products.
D'artisanat d'art aussi. Donc ils vont être très forts, ils vont nous aider à communiquer en fait.
Well, I think that people who buy and love pottery, they will buy it from me or from someone else, as long as the product speaks to them.